Hello and welcome to today's video. We will be looking at how to download Guizero. This is a way to be able to easily create GUIs in Python. It is what I used to make the GUI in our GPIO GUI project. I will leave a link to that in the description and on the card above. I will also leave a link in the description to the About page of Guizero. This video is specific to the Python IDE Thonny. If you do not have this, click the link on the card above or down in the description to watch our video on downloading it. The method may be similar for other IDEs, however won't be entirely the same. Let's get started. First, we are going to need to go to the page of Guizero on GitHub. I will leave the link to this in the description. Once you are on the site, click the green code box and then click Download Zip. You should now see your download starting. Please note, it may not look the same as this, as for example it may not have the one in brackets. On mine, this is there because I already have the file downloaded to my PC. Once the download is completed, you can go ahead and open it. Inside the file, you should then see a folder called Guizero Master. Open this folder. Now, click the folder called Guizero and copy this. You can do this by pressing the copy button in the Home tab on your File Explorer, or by pressing Ctrl and C together on your keyboard. Next up, on your File Explorer, type the path I am showing on screen into the box at the top where you see the file path. Ensure that on this path you replace username with your username of your account. I will leave this path in the description too. If you like, you can copy and paste it. Just remember to replace username with yours, and of course if you do copy it, you will have to copy the Guizero folder again that we did earlier. Once you have done this, press enter on your keyboard and you should see a folder like this open up on your computer containing lots of DLL files and a few folders. From here, just go ahead and paste the folder that we copied earlier. You can do this by pressing paste or Ctrl and V on your keyboard together. Now we have all of the Python files that we need available to Thonny for us to use Guizero. Now we can go ahead and test it. Open Thonny and type the code I have written on screen exactly as it is shown, and click Run. Thonny will also then ask you to save your code. Mine does not, as I have already saved this file. You should now see a blank window appear with nothing in. If you see that it has worked. Python would instead show an error if this had not worked, as it would not know what we were trying to import on the top line. Alternately, you can also go ahead and go back to the master folder we downloaded and then open the examples folder. From here you can click something such as alert.py and press run. Now you can test it has worked without writing any code. These can also help for you to see what Guizero is capable of. In my opinion, paint.py and text_editor.py are good at showing what it can do. Remember, all of this code is made by the people behind Guizero. Thank you for watching this video today, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like the video. I'll also be releasing some videos showing you how to use Guizero, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them. We also have other content on Python, so feel free to check out those videos. If you did check out our Guizero video, leave a comment letting me know if you would like to see a tutorial on how to make it, including the circuits. Please also feel free to leave a comment with any questions you may have. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.